For those that are struggling on how to get this V effect that I added for the Vanessa, all right, as you can see, the V went through the D. In this video, I'll be explaining in details on how you can get it. So let's go into it, a quick one. Okay, what we're going to do now is to add a test for the BC. I'll add a test into BC, okay? And then I'll change it for the text. Okay, I'll be using this font for the test. I'll click OK. Then I'll increase the size a little, and then I will bring it closer with this line spacing. I will make it capital letter. Okay, we have something like that. Let me change the color to a green color. I'll make the green color a little darker. Okay, we have this. Then what I will do next is to add the inner shadow. I'll make the inner shadow a golden yellow inner shadow. So I'll increase the blurriness of the inner shadow. So we have this. I'll click OK. Then what I will do next is to add the V for the Vanessa. So add another text, and this time around I will be writing Vanessa. So I will just go to fonts to get the font that I use for the Vanessa. These fonts I'll be using for the Vanessa. I'll click OK. I'll increase the text a little bit, and I will change the color to a golden yellow. Copy this Vanessa. I will click on the text. I will only add V so that we will have this. I will extend the padding. So we have only this. Then I'll remove the V from the initial text. We have this. I will extend the padding. Okay. So I'll increase the V a bit more. So we have this. Okay, this is not the exact font I used for the other test, but for the sake of this class, I'll be using this one just to make the class easier. So I'll just copy this V again. Only the V, that's what I'm copying. Then I will try to place it. I'll just change the color so as to get the placement. Let me change the color to something like black. Sorry, this is dark blue. So I'll just use relative position and adjust the position. Okay, we have something like this. I'll change the color back to a golden yellow color. Alright, so what I'll do now is I'll just drag one V down below this into BC. Then and allow one to be at the top. Now what I'm going to do, the one at the top, I'm going to adjust the one at the top. This one, I'll make sure that it's highlighted. Then I'll use this maxing. Adjust it to only fit this V size. I will enable the maxing. So we have something like this. If you can look closely to it, you will see that the effect has already come up. So I'll just make sure that it's well set, and I'll click OK. So we have the effect like this. Very simple and easy. So I'll just have to lock the 2V and then adjust the remaining text of the Vanessa. Reduce it a little bit and then adjust it to be like this. So here we have the Vanessa test in the BC Vanessa that I did in the design. Okay, another thing I did was this image that is here. It was somewhere here. So what I did to it was I duplicated it, just copy it, then like the same thing you did to the V, bring one under the BC test. So I'll just make sure that it's the both of them are aligned. So I'll use my relative position to adjust it. Okay, so what I will do is I will make sure that I highlight the top one, which is this one. Then I will go to maxing. I will still use maxing, the same thing I did with the earlier one. So I will use maxing and then adjust maxing. So I will enable it, and we have this. All right, we have this. The image is in between the S and the I. That is how I got it. Thank you for watching this very video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.